What is RTI or Right Information? Let's look at Ashok's story. Ashok wants to pursue higher studies abroad, so he applies for a passport at the passport office. A month has passed, but there is no response. He approaches the passport office many times and checks the status online, but all he gets to know is that his application is still being processed. His friend Ratin suggests about RTI. He says RTI can help a common man like him access documents and information available with the government. RTI covers all government bodies. Private bodies are not in direct scope, but if a private body is under any law to disclose certain information, that can be requested through RTI. Any person of Indian origin can use RTI, and that too for a nominal fee. Ashok goes and meets the PIO or Public Information Officer of the Passport Office. Every government body has its own RTI department, and the PIO handles RTI requests. Ashok fills the RTI application form requesting the reasons behind the delay and submits it to him. One can also use online portals to file the RTI application. Experts in forums also help in sharing knowledge on RTI. PIO then passes the questions in Ashok's application to the concerned department and gets the updates from them. Ashok receives the response from PIO within 30 days. Otherwise, he can appeal to the designated authority or Information Commission. Now Ashok knows what caused the delay. He meets the concerned officials and clarifies the missing details. Very soon he receives his passport. Ashok is now a happy man, thanks to the RTI Act.